Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina, and today I figured I'd do a real kind of quick update because not a whole lot's going on with it, but a little update on the future mud mower, the future poor man's ATV, the M.U.T.T, as I like to call them, multi-use tactical tractor. Yeah, so not a lot. I've been so busy using it. You know, the old one, here's a picture of it here. The old one, well, it didn't do well over the winter. I had left it outside because I had other projects in the garage, and the steering was kind of rusted up on it, and man, it just needed so much upkeep on it. And after 5 years of beating the heck out of it, I decided it was time to find a replacement. So I picked up this, and unfortunately, like I said, it kind of got put right to use. As you can see, I got the Brindley dump cart hooked up to it right now, but I have put on just today, finally, we're in August now, a set of ATV tires to fit this thing, and that's really nice. And I've decided not to lock the diff on this one. Now I am going to upgrade the front wheels as well to ag tires, or like a an aggressive ATV size tire. I'm going to paint it at some point, probably over the fall. Have upgraded the headlight beams; those are LEDs now, and of course summertime, so I haven't really had to have it operating well after dark. Sometimes at dusk, but nothing too bad. Overall, though, this is my $75 mower that I picked up. Dropped the deck on it. Had like a 40-inch deck on it, and nothing wrong with the deck, but just decided this was a good candidate because it had the shifter on there on the side there instead of in between. I like that. So seat's not torn. That's a good thing. So yeah, I'm working on it. I'm not going to lock the diff. I'm damn going to do upgrades on the tires. Going to paint it. Going to swap the exhaust over from the other mower. The other mower's gone. It turned into scrap, but I did pull the exhaust off of it before I sent it on its way. And I did keep the transmission out of it, although I doubt I'll ever use it again. But the engine, it was pretty tired. I'd already put a head gasket on it once or twice, so it was time to say goodbye. But yeah, as far as work, yeah, this thing's been doing quite a bit of it. Hauling fallen trees and limbs and stuff like that for firewood for this fall and this winter. That's been one of its main jobs. Obviously, hauling chicken scrap or chicken turds, whatever you want to call it. big job, not a pretty job, but a job that needs to get done. Been using it for that, and just usual ATV use, running around the property. 6.5 acres. It's nice to be able to hop on this thing and go get the mail, or hop on this thing and go up to the apple trees and see how they're doing instead of having to walk around all the time. So pretty cool. But yeah, that's it. Just want to show that to you. And if you have any questions or comments on the Murray widebody, these are kind of coveted apparently. I didn't realize it when I bought it. But the widebody LTs are kind of coveted for they got a decent frame for off-road work. And so far, I've even had the cultivator hooked up to this thing. Not the cultivator, what did I have? Oh, the pull behind gas tiller. I used it with it, and yeah, it did fine. So I'm impressed. Anyway, till next time, take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.